Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hi friends, today we are going to learn a technical topic, supply chain management. नाम थोड़ा भयंकर है, but don't worry, we will learn it in a simple manner and its components. What is supply chain? Popularly it is called as SCM. Supply chain management is basically a process of moving the goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption. Don't worry, let me explain. What is the point of origin? For example, apples. Apples are grown in Kashmir. These apples are consumed by people in Mumbai. From Kashmir, these apples are transported to Mumbai, but you get these apples as fresh as they are in Kashmir. How this is possible? There is a long chain through which these apples pass through. That is supplier, wholesaler, retailer, retailer and consumer. Sometimes it may be consumer also. Say for example, I may buy the apples and then give it to somebody in the hospital. So I am a consumer and the patient in the hospital is my consumer. So these apples travel through a long chain. This chain is called as supply chain. Now the point of origin is farms in Kashmir and supplier is the farmer. The other members in the chain are all called as participants of supply chain management. So supply chain management is a process of moving the product effectively and efficiently from the point of origin to the point of consumption. Now let us look into the components. The first component is planning. What is planning? Of course, for moving the apples from Kashmir to the consumer in the Mumbai, or rather to the patient in the hospital in the Mumbai, lot of planning is required. Planning in terms of transport, warehousing, packaging, participants, who will be the participants, how products will be handled, material handling, all is required. So the first component is planning. Second is sourcing. Sourcing is getting the product from the right source. Suppose a person in Mumbai wants fresh apple. He will tell his retailer, मुझे fresh apple चाहिए. Retailer has to find a wholesaler and wholesaler has to find a supplier who is supplying fresh apple. So finding the supplier is called as sourcing. Source मतलब जहां से actually originate होता है उसे source कहते हैं. Next point is scheduling for the delivery. Once the apples are ready from the farm, I cannot just send it ki chalo. No, I have to do the proper scheduling. First, I have to pack them properly so that during transportation, during storage, while handling, they don't get destroyed. They don't get, क्या बोलते हैं, deteriorated. So the second step would be scheduling the delivery. While I am scheduling the delivery, I have to perform all the other functions. After that, once my apples are ready, main part is logistics. What is logistics? Logistics is making the right product available at the right place, at the right time, at the right cost, in the right condition. In my case, right product is apple. Right place is Mumbai. Right time is throughout the year. Right condition is apples fresh as they are in farm. And right cost is, of course, 70 or 80 rupees a kilo. I cannot sell them at 200 or 300 rupees a kilo. Right? Logistics is making the right product available at the right time, at the right place, in the right condition, at the right cost. So now I will schedule the delivery and start with actual delivery. Next point is transportation. For transporting these apples from Kashmir to Mumbai, Of course, I will have refrigerated trucks because apples are perishable item, and if they are exposed too much to heat, light, they may perish, they may deteriorate. So I will arrange trucks and do such a packaging that my apples are fresh. The next component is warehousing. Warehousing is storing the product till it is sold. Again, I will have refrigerated or cold chain warehouses to store these apples. The next point is packaging, which I have already explained you. And my last 2 points are material handling and inventory management. What is material handling? These apples need to be handled with care while loading into the truck, while unloading from the truck, while storing, while packaging, as well as while selling. All these times I use different cranes, I use different bags, I use different pallets to handle these apples. So material handling is how I handle my material. At this stage also I really need to be very careful. And last is inventory management. Inventory management is managing the stock. Of course, as a retailer, I would not order a large stock so that I waste on few. Also, I should keep in mind that I would not order a very small stock so that I cannot sell when my customer comes. I have to say khatam ho gaya. So I have to actually manage my stock. I have to order the stock in such a way that it is optimum. Also, this stock has to be taken care very properly so that it doesn't deteriorate, it doesn't become obsolete. All this is inventory management. I hope you understood the topic. If you like my videos, stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you for watching.